Whoa, friends! Look at these giant frozen fruit ice cubes! They're bigger than us! Today we're smashing them to watch the most beautiful color magic! Real natural colors from fruits, no paints! Watch what happens when these giant ice blocks smash into the water! It's going to be a color explosion! These aren't normal ice cubes, they're packed with real fruit colors. Dragon fruit makes pink, mango makes golden yellow, and blueberry makes purple. Dragon fruit has special natural pink color called betalain. It's like nature's own paint! Mango gives us this beautiful golden yellow from carotenoids. Yummy and colorful. Blueberries have anthocyanins. That's what makes this rich purple. Brr, but so pretty. Everything is ready. The water is waiting for the colors. Let's make some magic. First up, the mighty dragon fruit ice block. Smash time! Here we go! Here we go! Ah! Look! The pink is already dancing! It's so fast and beautiful! The natural pink color is rushing out so fast. It looks like a pink river. Now it's Mango's turn. Golden power incoming. Boom! Look at that golden color. See how the colors are already starting to mix by themselves? They're making new colors! Last one, the mighty blueberry. Papova! There it is! The purple is joining the party! Three colors light! Look at all the colors moving on their own. No stirring needed. Nature is doing the mixing. Watch closely. The ice is gently releasing more and more color. It's like the colors are waking up. See how the pink is getting stronger and stronger? It's so pretty and peaceful now. The golden mango color is lighter, so it floats and swirls differently. They're doing a color dance. Yes, a beautiful dance of science. Whee! More sparkles! When different colors meet, they make brand new colors. Magic mixing! Look, the purple is mixing with pink and making new shades. Nature is the best artist. All by itself, without us stirring, the colors keep creating new patterns. It's never the same twice. Look how beautiful it became, all from real fruit. It's like a liquid rainbow. This is the power of natural colors from real fruits. No chemicals, just nature's magic. Everything came from inside the fruits themselves. Nature already had all the colors ready. Which fruit colors do you think would mix the prettiest next time? Tell us in the comments! If you liked this magical color adventure, smash that like button and subscribe for more fun experiments. Thanks for exploring with us. See you next time. Bye, friends. Keep mixing colors.